What's up, everybody? Welcome to Awesome Tech You Can't Buy It, a show where I round up the 5 best crowdfunding projects that have hit the internet this week. First up this week, we have the Paladin, which is yet another awesome, affordable SLA printer. I know I've been covering these a lot in this show, but it's because they are hitting the crowdfunding scene super hard right now, and they are pretty incredible. So for those of you who don't know, these aren't the printers that squirt out filament and do it layer by layer. These are the ones that take a puddle of goo and shine a light on it to harden it selectively, and they're capable of way higher resolutions. So unlike a lot of the other cheap SLA printers that we've seen in the past few months, this one has a ton of awesome high-end features. It's got an automatic resin pump, so it'll refill itself. It's got auto leveling, so you don't have to level it manually. And it also has an air filter on it that makes it stink less during printing. All of that, and this thing only costs about $419 on Kickstarter right now, and they expect to ship it in April of next year. Next up, we have Pigsbee, which is a cryptocurrency-based piggy bank for kids. I promise it is not nearly as stupid as that makes it sound. The idea behind this thing is that instead of giving your kids a physical piggy bank that they put coins in, they can have this digital cryptocurrency-based wallet, and then you can automatically schedule things like allowances and then automatically pay them when they complete chores. The theory is that this will teach them the basics and fundamentals of personal finance at an early age. Kind of a weird idea, but if it sounds like something you want to get for your kid, you can lock one down for about $99 right now if you get the early bird pledge. If you miss out on that, it goes up to about $130, but in either case, they expect to ship in June of next year. Next up, we have the CarryOn Closet, which is a suitcase with integrated shelving built into it. So if you're anything like me, whenever you go to a hotel room and unpack your stuff, it's basically like a bomb goes off and all of your clothes just get strewn around everywhere because there's not an easy way to organize them. This suitcase presumably solves that problem by giving you a set of shelves that expand when you open your suitcase and then just stay up for the duration of your stay. Then when you're done and it comes time to pack everything up, all you have to do is pick it up and then push the shelving back into your suitcase like an accordion. It comes in 2 different sizes. There's an international size and a plus size, which is a little bit bigger but is still a carry-on. And those are priced differently. The small one is about $149 on Kickstarter right now, whereas the plus is $165, and those are gonna ship in February and May of 2019 respectively. Next up, we have my personal favorite of this week, the Whiskey Poles 2.0, which are ski poles that have flasks built directly into them. The thing is, apparently this is the 2nd generation. I'm a little pissed that I didn't know about the 1st generation. So what separates this one from Whiskey Poles 1.0 is that these ones also come with little inserts that you can put in so that you can stash things inside that aren't alcohol. This includes, but is not limited to, pens, dollar bills, and other things that are totally not doobies. Yeah, they try to dance around it, but everybody knows that that's pretty much a doob tube. That's what's new in Whiskey Poles 2.0. They got the doob tube attachment. If this is something that you want to get your hands on, you can lock one down for about $65 on Kickstarter right now, and they expect to ship in January of next year because they have already figured out all of the production. Last but not least, we have the CleanseBot, which is a UV sanitizing robot. Probably the best way to describe this thing is that it's like a tiny little Roomba, but instead of sucking up dirt and grime and stuff, it actually uses a UVC light to blast germs and bacteria and effectively scramble their DNA so that they can't reproduce. The idea is that you can put this on your countertop or your floor or whatever, and it'll just rove around autonomously, killing germs. Presumably, you could use this to clean just about anything, but for some reason, they've actually designed this specifically for cleaning hotel bed sheets, which is kind of strange because, in my opinion, if you're really that worried about the cleanliness of your hotel bed sheets, maybe just stay at a nicer hotel. That's just my 2 cents. Anyway, if this is something that you want, you can get your hands on it for about $99 if you hit that early bird pledge. If you're late to the game, it goes up to about $109, but in either case, they expect to ship this in April of 2019. That does it for this week, but be sure to tune in again next week and I will bring you 5 more awesome crowdfunding projects that you probably wouldn't have seen otherwise. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this video, definitely hit that subscribe button. We do these videos every week and you definitely don't want to miss out when we put out a new one because these crowdfunding projects don't run forever. I also highly recommend checking out some of our older videos because, like I said, we do this every week and oftentimes all these Kickstarter projects are still running and you can still back them. So check them out, they're probably around here somewhere. If you want to check out our new stuff, definitely head over to digitaltrends.com or hit us up on Instagram TV.